Hello learners, greetings of the day. Today's topic is role of artificial intelligence and machine learning. I'm Dr. Twisha Shah, your trainer. Let's begin the session with the table of contents as introduction, AI algorithms and model in fraud detection, application of AI and ML in forensic accounting, advantages of AI and ML in fraud detection accuracy, challenges and ethical concerns. Introduction. What do you understand about artificial intelligence? It refers to the system that mimics human intelligence processes, which includes reasoning, learning, and problem solving. Machine learning is a subset of AI, which involves algorithms that allow systems to learn and improve automatically through experience without being explicitly programmed. The integration of AI has become transformative development in forensic accounting. AI technologies such as machine learning, natural language processing that is NLP, and data mining help to analyze large volume of financial data. These technologies can detect unusual patterns, inconsistencies, and anomalies that may indicate fraudulent behavior. AI is causing a significant shift in forensic accounting and litigation support, making it essential for CPAs, that is certified public accountants, to understand and adopt these technologies. AI will improve the accuracy, efficiency, and effectiveness of forensic investigation. Now, AI algorithms and model in fraud detection. Fraud detection through AI and ML typically involves a combination of several algorithms and models that can be trained on financial data to identify any suspicious activities. The most commonly models used include decision trees. Now, these are used to classify data based on a series of rules. Decision trees are particularly useful in forensic accounting for segmenting fraudulent and non fraudulent activities based on various financial indicators. Second is random forest. An extension of the decision trees, random forest involves creating a collection of decision trees and combining their results. This assemble method improves the accuracy of fraud detection by reducing overfitting and making it particularly effective in financial fraud analysis. Neural networks. Neural networks are designed to mimic the human brain's decision making processes. These models are particularly useful for detecting complex patterns in financial data, which may indicate fraudulent activities that are not easily discernible using the traditional methods. SVM, that is support vector machine. Now this algorithm are used for classification and regression tasks, and they are particularly effective at handling high dimensional data, making them useful in identifying fraud in large data sets with many variables. Deep learning, a subset of neural networks. Deep learning models involve multiple layers of neurons that can learn intricate patterns from the vast amount of data. In forensic accounting, deep learning can be applied to the complex fraud detection task, such as identifying sophisticated financial schemes or fraudulent accounting practices. Now, application of AI and ML in forensic accounting. AI and ML have numerous applications in forensic accounting, particularly in fraud detection and prevention. Some key applications include automated transaction monitoring. where AI-powered systems can continuously monitor the transaction in real time, flagging unusual activities for further investigation. This system can detect patterns that may be indicative of financial fraud, such as money laundering or financial misreporting. Second is detecting fraud risk scoring. AI system can calculate a fraud risk scoring for individual transactions or accounts. This score can help forensic accountant prioritize their investigations, focusing on the most suspicious activities. Next, predictive analytics for fraud prevention. AI model can predict potential future fraudulent behavior based on historical data. For example, a predictive algorithms can flag accounts or transactions that have a higher likelihood of being involved in fraud, which will allow organizations to take preventive measures. Textual analysis. AI driven NLP allows forensic accountants to analyze unstructured data such as emails, contracts, or financial reports. NLP algorithms can help uncover fraudulent activities that may be hidden in complex documents. Blockchain analysis. AI is increasingly being used to analyze blockchain transactions, providing forensic accountants with the tools to trace illicit transactions across digital ledgers. This is especially important in detecting fraud in cryptocurrency transactions. Now, what can be the advantages of using AI ML? So, it improved fraud detection accuracy by AI ML significantly enhances the accuracy of identifying the fraudulent activities. Efficient data processing. Now, this technology can process and analyze large data set much faster and more efficient than human accountants. Third is the pattern and correlation detection. AI algorithms can identify the hidden patterns and relationship within the financial data that may indicate fraud. Anomaly detection or identification. AI help detect irregular transactions or unusual financial behavior that may signal fraudulent activities. Use of ML models. Machine learning models such as decision trees and random forest are effective in predicting fraud using historical financial data. Adaptive learning. AI system can learn how new data and adapt to emerging fraud techniques, improving long-term effectiveness. Retraining capability. Machine learning algorithms can be retrained to detect new fraud schemes, making them more reliable over time. Deep learning applications. Advanced models such as neural networks can detect complex relationships and sophisticated fraud patterns. Now the key challenges and ethical considerations. Challenges goes like data privacy and security. Since AI systems are based on enormous amount of financial information, security and privacy are significant concerns. Illegal access to forensic database can expose sensitive financial information and undermine legal investigation. AI-based forensic accounting has to adhere to stringent data protection laws to avoid cybersecurity risk. Second is algorithm bias and accuracy. AI system can possibly introduce unforeseen biases leading to wrongful detection of fraud. Fairness and transparency are important in AI powered forensic accounting. In order to neutralize bias in AI system, comprehensive testing, diversified training data, and algorithmic updates are needed periodically. regulatory and legal compliance. AI forensic accounting must be compliant with regulatory requirements such as GDPR and financial regulation. AI forensic examination must be compliant with the international standards of the law to render evidence obtained from AI admissible in court. I would like to summarize my session. Artificial intelligence has become a transformative force in forensic accounting, redefining how financial fraud is detected, investigated, and prevented. These technologies enhance the investigation speed, accuracy, and proactivity, allowing accountants to uncover hidden risks, analyze unstructured data like email using NLP, and improve overall fraud prevention. I would end this session with a small quote: AI and ML transform forensic accounting from reactive investigation to proactive fraud detection. I hope the session was fruitful. Thank you.